Today is Friday. Josh went on a golf trip for the weekend, so he's not coming back until Monday night. So I'm pretty much riding solo this weekend. It is currently 9 a.m. I have a coffee meetup with a wedding photographer at 11. So we're gonna go do that. And then I'm gonna hang out with a couple of my friends later tonight. And then maybe I'm gonna go sleep at my parents because I'm planning on spending a part of my weekend there. So before I leave, I definitely have to handle this situation going on. I know I'm going for coffee, but I still kind of want to make myself one just because I'm on the struggle bus this morning. I did not have a good sleep. Look at me. I got some 2% milk in here and I'm just gonna top it with vanilla creamer. I did a double shot of espresso. This is just like the best iced coffee ever. My morning coffee that I make at home is everything to me. The sun is out today, so we gotta make sure to put on the sunscreen. I really hope Josh is wearing sunscreen on his golf trip right now. I'm actually gonna text him to remind him because Batman forgets to wear sunscreen and it's like my biggest gripe. I wanna go for like a super simple look today since my plans today aren't really like too serious. Like nothing serious today. Like I'm literally just floating around town, finding someone to talk to. Okay, you guys, I am home. That was such a great coffee meetup. I have been following this photographer on Instagram for a while. I love her work so much. It essentially looks like it belongs on Vogue weddings, and that's exactly what like I'm envisioning for mine. And so that was such a good meetup. We clicked right away. We became like instant friends, which is exactly what I want in my wedding photographer since essentially we're spending the whole day together. Don't worry, you guys. I'm texting Josh through this entire process, making sure he's okay with everything too, but Josh is legitimately like the chillest guy ever. Like whatever I want, he wants. I'm very lucky in that sense. So yeah, I got a package and I think it's my phone case for my new work phone. I'm just gonna bring it back up to my apartment and then I have to head out again. I dropped it off and I picked up a shirt because it's actually quite warm out. Oh my gosh, hi.
Hi, oh my god, it's Ozma!
It's my baby.
Oh my god, I really want to buy her before
you should do it. Oh my god, are
July.
you? Okay, now we're at Lyza's again for a second day in a row. Basically live here now.
I need you to step outside
Oh, okay.
to show her the thing.
The doorbell?
Yeah.
Okay, you want to ring the doorbell?
I do actually.
Okay.
Oh my god. I do actually want to ring the doorbell. Oh, just ring the bell. Oh my god! Welcome to my apartment! Thanks for ringing the bell. We are greeted
Oh, I don't know why I'm
by
putting on my shoes.
the foyer, fit check mirror. Okay. Don't mind. Here we're greeted by the living room and couch marketplace.
Hell yeah.
Free by my friends. And the TV will be upgraded. It's very small, but we can watch TV on it.
We
can
watch
TV. And
We
it
watch
works.
TV.
Welcome to the kitchen. Here's my kitchen. There's a stove, a dishwasher, a sink, and a fridge. And a freezer.
I was telling her it's kind of built like our Montreal apartment.
Yeah, I love. It's a full full stove and oven. It's and there's an air fryer.
It's cozy, bro.
Oh my god, it is. I love cooking.
Isn't it giving Montreal?
It's giving
Like the
Montreal.
kitchen, especially like
You know
this
how
area.
It was like hidden.
Yeah.
Yeah. Welcome to the bathroom. So the bathroom, we had a bidet installed. The bidet was
The one from me. Yeah.
It didn't work.
No.
It flooded my toilet.
Yeah.
TMI. Welcome to my bathroom. We are waiting for more lights because I broke the other ones.
You broke it?
Yeah, by accident. So yeah, this is the cleaning towel. Don't use that on your hands. That's the hand towel. So let me. Okay.
Okay.
Bathroom. Full bath. I
Shower.
can
So you
take
can take a
baths in
bath.
there. That head is nice though. I haven't fully finished unpacking my stuff, which is so silly because it's been a month. It's because
That's okay.
I got sick and then I've been working and there's a lot. But this is my roommate's
Life
room.
happens, guys.
I'm sorry about it. I'm sorry about it. I'm sorry about it.
This is a vibe. Read a book.
When you're
here,
reading in the book in the
mirror,
corner.
A mirror. Window.
Window. When it's raining out, just listen to really depressing music. We're gonna go grab some grub. We were craving bubble tea. So we're gonna get bubble tea. Look at the view. I like the view. Period. The large is quite large. No? The large is huge.
She is big, but you know what? She yum.
Wow.
Girl, you don't need her.
It smells amazing.
You don't need her.
Okay, here, period.
Slay.
So cute.
We're visiting the portal. The portal.
Like an hour.
Letterman.
Come, let's go change.
Let's go change. Oh, the photos I would take in here. If I looked better today.
Wait. Okay, wait. I gotta.
Oh, it's like that London bathroom.
A dream.
A dream?
A dream of having jewelry, but for your teeth.
Yeah.
This guy makes it. Young Metal Syndicate.
I love that.
Let's go. The entrance to Young and Metal and Syndicate.
I love that.
Mind your
I
head.
can't believe. Mind your head.
Oh.
Wow, Karen. Oh yeah.
Young Metal Syndicate, baby.
Oh, it's sick in here. So much personality.
So much of his personality.
It smells like a nail salon.
Yeah.
Like
there's
a-
nail people next doors. That's how we have the air filter.
Oh, I see.
I'm gonna tag all those.
Let's all get tattoos.
Do the color
Here?
coordinated.
We're finishing the night with some ice cream, which Phil brought us.
The cup. Oh no.
Yeah. No one told me I was ugly. Say goodnight. Bye, you guys.
Scripted.
Good morning. It is now Saturday morning, and I genuinely am so tired. We didn't even get up to do anything crazy. So I know for a fact tonight that we have a dinner at my cousin's. So that's pretty much all I have planned today. My friends are going to Park and Fifth in Inglewood, which is just the neighborhood over from me. And they invited me to come, but I don't really need anything at Park and Fifth right now. There's nothing for me to see or do there, but they're coming over to Bridgeland later after that to get some pizza. So I might join them for that. I might walk to join them for that. I don't know necessarily. So yeah, I'm just gonna get ready for the day now and maybe like pack a bag for my parents, because I think if I'm gonna go to my cousin's, I might as well go to my parents. I'm keeping the outfit super simple today. I think it's really warm, so I'm gonna wear my favorite white pants and a green tank top. My shirt is inspired by my green juice today. My hair just needed like a little bit of volume, so I put these rollers in, but they're barely making a difference. Actually, you know what? It's a little voluminous. There we go. How do we feel about these glasses? Is it too much? I'm heading out. This is the fit. I feel so annoying because all I've been doing is wearing white because I'm in my bridal era and I'm waiting for it to end. I'm waiting for this era to end, but also never end, because I love white. I love wearing white. It's like my favorite color to wear. Ooh, let's go get some pizza. It's so pretty out today. What are the odds? In one spot. Hey, you guys. It's actually so nice out right now. It's 20 degrees. I'm driving with my windows down. Life is so good. Super clean apartment. I cleaned my bedroom. I'm just packing up to spend the night at my parents'. Goodbye to my very clean home. I'm very excited to spend time with my family tonight, but I'm also very excited to come home to this. Let's go. Hi. Oh my. Hi. Oh. Hi. Ah! Ready, steady, go. This is my heaven on earth. They had samples today. I was a little too shy to vlog it, but yummy. You know the sun is out when? Okay, now we're on our way to Kuya's for a little BBQ moment, I think. I don't know, just a little dinner with the fam jam. Believe it or not, but we are siblings. Are you going to church tomorrow? Their coffee here is warm. This is really good coffee.
We went to the mall and I didn't take videos there, but now we're having a family lunch. I'm leaving my parents' place now without my baby girl. Yes? Oh, thank you. Oh, thank you. I'll pick you up next week, okay?
I am now watching You, and I'm warming up dinner because I actually got really hungry. So I'm just warming up some leftover Una that I brought home from yesterday. But you guys, I know this is open. Please ignore it. I can't reach to put it down. But you guys, I literally have the best grandmother in the world. She got me this Filipino dessert that she knows I love. It is 10 p.m. and I just did my skincare, and I'm gonna put a pajama shirt on and probably pass out and wake up at 8 a.m. tomorrow and start my week. So that was a very nice weekend. It was much needed, but now I am very excited for Josh to come home because I miss him. So yeah, it was a great weekend, you guys. Till next time, bye.